Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to day 6 of this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. Those days are going so fast and I'm really super excited to see so many fantastic work on Facebook, on a Craft Stash group and on Papercraft Society group. So this box was designed by Card Making Magic, and let's see what's inside. I love that pink color and I think the color palette of those boxes are super nice. So inside, what do we have this time? Oh, it's very sparkly. So we've got some pieces die cuts, something which we can cut out and use as sentiments on our card fronts. So we've got let it snow, hello, happy holidays, happy birthday, merry Christmas, happy new year, peace, love, joy. Really nice. And we've got some papers as well. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 of them. So we've got this light blue with snowflakes. We've got this one with foliage and poinsettias and some festive flowers. And we've got this green with lots of elements as well. So yes, I think we can create another Christmas card, I think. So let me prepare some elements and I will show you another, most probably, Christmas card. So as you can see, I prepared some elements and I also cut out that poinsettia and a few leaves from that sheet. So I'm going to use all the elements from that box number 6. So let me put it together. So I created myself this circle card blank and it's going to be like this. And I cut off a little bit at the end just to make sure that my card will stand up really nicely. So let me put the first layer. So I'm adding this white circle on top, and then I've got that green one first, and then I'm going to add the blue one. So I hope you've seen my video from yesterday, not from that Papercraft Society calendar, but a different tutorial. And that's why I decided to do this one, because I was inspired by this card I showed you yesterday in my tutorial in the evening. So if you haven't seen this one, I will recommend you to watch this one as well. Why not? So the next layer is the blue one. And then we can create the decoration. I love different shapes of cards and I think they look really nice, especially when you want to send someone something special. I think a shaped card is always really nice. So let me know if you use this box already. What have you created? Are you playing along with our hashtag as well? Because the hashtag is PS Advent Calendar 2023. Just checking if it's nice and straight, because my card will be like so. Yeah, that's fine. And of course, check out Katarina and Mel to see what they've created with those products. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a foam pad, double-sided foam pad under that poinsettia just to elevate it a little bit. And then I can add those leaves underneath. And this way it will look really pretty. And I think I'm going to add some gems. And because I was creating that project I showed you before, I still got those leaves here on my desk, so I decided to use them, because otherwise they will be just here on my desk forever. So I'm adding more leaves just to build up this composition. And of course I want to add some sparkle as well, because why not? I'm thinking I've got those stars as well, so I think I will add those. And that leaf I used, oh sorry, everything is flying again on my desk. Really like that one. And I think I need a few more, because I think I can actually cut more of those leaves and add them to this card. So let's see. So let me know, how do you like this advent calendar so far? What do you think about those video tutorials you watched? Have you seen any of the videos from Katarina as well? And Mel, because she's doing unboxing, but I think in a few days time she will be actually doing some tutorials as well. So I'm really curious what she's going to create and which product she's going to use as well. So let me see. Can you see? It looks really pretty. And let me grab some glitter glue. So actually I decided to use those crystal droplets, and these are gems from Crafter's Companion. I used them before, and you know, it's sometimes when I use certain products I use them for a very long time and then I swap for something different. But I love those iridescent gems, and they look really nice on products. Let me pull two of those tiny ones. Maybe I can add them here and there somewhere as well, because of course it's Christmas card, so it has to be really nice and sparkly. I can't catch it. But anyway, so let me know, what do you think about this project? Have you seen anything from Katarina and Mel? Or have you created anything from your calendar as well? Because I'm looking at Facebook groups, and so many beautiful inspirations. I'm really so happy to see so many of you sharing your work, and it's so nice because it's we creating this way, we creating nice community, and we can actually talk about and see other ideas as well. So my little tiny card is ready and I really like it. I love the added sparkle here with the gems and that beautiful die cut as well. So I really like this one. So let me know, what do you think about this project? Did you use that box already, or are you planning to create something else? Let me know what you're planning to create, or maybe you would use different products from previous boxes alongside this one. So I'm really curious. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video tomorrow morning. Bye for now.